So now I have your state report. It came to all superintendents and was posted on Friday. So we're talking that we could have disciplined students for certain offenses. We did not. So for all offenses, Worcester Public Schools state report, 1,073 students were disciplined for all offenses. Out of those 1,073, how many received discipline for in-school suspension? 1.3%. How many experienced out-of-school suspension? Now remember, I'm talking about all offenses here. Only 2.9%. And how many received emergency removals? So now let's go to the most serious offenses. Physical attack. There were reported 319 physical attacks in the Worcester Public Schools. What happened to those students? 0.2 received in-school suspension. 0.9 received out of school, and 0.2 emergency removals. Talking about risk factors, it was very clearly said tonight that, the levels were coming up with the three groups, students of color and students with disabilities. So reported physical attack in Worcester Public Schools last year, whites were 58, Latinos 189. That's more than 3 times as much. And students with disabilities 141. Let's go to physical fights that occurred last year. 298 fights. How many students were disciplined for in-school? 0.2. How many were disciplined for out-of-school? 0.9. 0.1 emergency removals. Again, what's the risk factor? 46 students were white, 176 Hispanic, Latino, and 89 students with disabilities. Threat of physical attack. 135 students, 2% in-house, 3% out-of-school suspension, no emergency removals. Again, risk factor, 30 white, 73 Hispanic, and 58 students with disabilities. Of great concern for the second year in a row, weapons found on school premises, 0 reported. Last year, 0 reported.